What's going on, guys? It's cold outside, as you see. It's raining and feeling a little bit up under the weather, so I just feel like nothing else will make you feel good besides having a nice, nutritious, warm homemade soup. So today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a vegetable soup.
As my husband mentioned, it's all about vegetable soup today. You can choose to use any vegetables that you have on hand. We chose to use what you see here because this is what we had on hand. We're going to start off with some colavita, which is some olive oil. We're going to go ahead and throw in garlic first, some onion, and then we're going to go ahead and add some of our potatoes, carrots, and mushroom. Do a quick saute, and as we do the saute, that's when we'll get to adding our stocks and spices. You can use any spices of your choice as well. And we'll go ahead and add in our kale and our beans and our tomato paste more towards the end of the soup.
All right, guys, majority of everything's in there. Then it simmer for about another 15, 20 minutes. We'll be good to go. And I'll show you the end result. All right, guys, the soup is finally done. Thanks to the help of my wife, of course. Here's the end result. So I'm about to get ready to dig in, me and this little guy right here.